Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the luxurious and impressive Genesis G90, a flagship sedan that's been making waves in the premium car segment. If you're in the market for a refined, driving experience with world-class comfort and cutting-edge features, stay tuned, because the G90 might just be what you're looking for. Starting with the exterior, the Genesis G90 exudes elegance and sophistication. The design is bold yet understated, featuring a massive crest grille that dominates the front fascia. Flanking it are sleek, split-design LED headlamps that give the G90 a futuristic appearance. The long sculpted hood and clean side profile emphasize its luxury sedan proportions, while the 20-inch alloy wheels and flush door handles enhance its premium aesthetic. From the rear, the full-width LED taillights give it a commanding presence, and the overall design language stays consistent with Genesis's goal of delivering timeless sophistication. Now stepping inside, the interior of the G90 is where it truly sets itself apart. The cabin is an oasis of calm and opulence, wrapped in high-quality materials such as Napa leather, real wood trim, and brushed metal accents. The seating is exceptionally comfortable with both front and rear seats offering heating, ventilation, and even massage functions in higher trims. Rear passengers especially benefit from a limo-like experience with generous legroom, power sunshades, and a center console that controls everything from climate to infotainment. The dashboard features a dual 12.3-inch display setup that seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system. Every button and surface feels thoughtfully designed, catering to comfort, luxury, and functionality. When it comes to performance, the Genesis G90 offers a smooth and refined ride, thanks to its adaptive air suspension and excellent noise insulation. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that produces 375 horsepower, or an optional version with a mild hybrid system that boosts output and efficiency. The power delivery is effortless. And while the G90 isn't a sports car, it glides over rough roads with authority and grace, prioritizing passenger comfort above all. As for pricing, the Genesis G90 starts at around $89,000, with fully loaded versions crossing the $100,000 mark. Considering its tech, comfort, and luxury, it offers serious value compared to German rivals. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about the G90 in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.